operations on polynomial. Operations on polynomial. First of all, we will study addition. Additions of polynomial. Maybe two or more polynomial that we want to study. Now this addition you can perform in two ways. Maybe vertical, maybe horizontal. So here I am presenting question directly. So here minus 7m to the power 4. I am writing question here. Plus 5m cube plus root 2. That is first polynomial. Now there is second polynomial. 5m to the power 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Okay, so there are two different polynomials. First polynomial, second polynomial. And now we want to perform their addition. Simple thing, whenever you want to perform addition, if there is plus sign, instead of this, write down plus sign. But if there is minus sign, write down as it is. Only instead of this minus sign and then remove the minus. So there is no need to make bracket. For addition, don't make bracket. Write directly. So here I use equal sign. Minus 7m to the power 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2 plus 5m to the power 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Okay. Now arrange these terms according to their power, like standard form. Arrange these according to their powers. So here power 4, power 4. So write these terms closer to this. Minus 7m to the power 4 plus 5m to the power 4. Okay, that I have done. Then power 3, 5m cube minus 3m cube. Write this closer. Plus 5m cube minus 3m. So write similar terms having same power along with their coefficient closer to each other. And then this constant term. Here 2m square, only one term, so write this term plus 2m square, then plus 3m. And now these two constant terms remaining. So this minus 6 and this plus root 2. Okay. So here we have done all the terms. Now if you can perform directly, okay, no problem. And if you don't want to perform, if these terms are similar, only you can perform addition or subtraction of their coefficient only. Addition or subtraction of their coefficient. So here is minus 7 plus 5, so there remains minus 2 and add on this m4 as it is. Okay, only addition subtraction of these two, this remains as it is. Then check this, plus 5 minus 3, so plus 2 m cube, and then this plus 2m square plus 3m, and then remaining as it is 6 plus root 2. So whatever similar terms, perform addition or subtraction of their coefficient only. Okay, that is addition. Now we will study subtraction. So from 3.1, practice set 3.1, question first, solve question first and third. Solve question first and third. Okay. Now we study subtraction. Second thing that we want to study, that is subtraction. Subtraction. So here I consider an example for subtraction. First question. square minus 9x plus root 3 first one. And second one minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Okay. Now for subtraction, this is different method. Write down your first polynomial as it is, x square minus 9x plus root 3, as it is. Okay. Now what is your second polynomial? Whenever you are performing subtraction, consider second point. You minus sign and consider second polynomial in bracket. You minus sign for subtraction and then write all these terms inside the bracket. That is minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. And now next step, x square minus 9x plus root 3. Now multiply this complete bracket by minus sign. Complete. Multiply all these terms. Multiply all these terms by this minus sign. So minus into minus plus 19x. Minus into plus minus root 3. Minus into plus minus 7x square. So in this way multiply this complete bracket by this minus sign. Okay. After that, arrange the terms according to their powers. X square minus 7x square. So here x square minus 7x square. Then this minus 9x plus 19x, minus 9x plus 19x. Then plus root 3 minus root 3. Okay. Now in these two, coefficient 1 minus 7. So 1 minus 7 minus 6x square. Then minus 9 in these two. Same. So perform addition subtraction of the coefficient. So minus 9 plus 90, that is plus 10. So here plus 10x. And then last one plus root 3 minus root 3. Constant number different side, they get cancelled, that is 0. Or you can cancel it in this way. You can cancel it. Plus minus same constant. So here there is no need for any plus sign. So here that is minus 6x square plus 10x. In this way you have to perform subtraction of the polynomial. So here again 3.1 question 2. Solve question 2, and in that question 3, not 2, question 3, second question. Solve second. And previously what I have written, that is question 2, 1 and 3 for addition. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. So I hope you understand addition and subtraction of the polynomial. Now I proceed further. So I will study next operation, that is multiplication. That is multiplication. So here third operation, multiplication of polynomial. Multiplication of polynomial. So here I consider example 2x and second one given to you x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay. First example I consider. Then I consider one more example so that you can understand easily. So here next example I will consider x to the power 5 minus 1 and x cube plus 2x square plus 3. So plus 2, not 3, plus 2. Okay, that is from 3.2, sorry, not 3.1, that is from 3.2. So here 3.2. From 3.2, question number 4, that is first question, that is second question. So here, how we can perform multiplication? Now, out of these two polynomials, this first polynomial is monomial, single term. So when single term, write down this 2x. And now this one, for multiplication, you have to directly in bracket in this way, x square minus 2x minus 1. And if this bracket is this sign of multiplication, there is no need to multiply sign, this is multiplication. Okay, now while performing this multiplication, now you have to multiply all these three terms by this one by one. So first of all, multiply these two. Now while multiplication, multiply coefficient with coefficient, and this by using laws of indices. This by using laws of indices. So here 2 into 1, that is 2, and x into x square, x cube. Now multiply these two. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Now x into x, that is x square. Then this multiplication. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, and this x minus 2x. So in this way, you have to perform their multiplication when monomial. Now here that is binomial. So here first step as it is, make bracket h to the power 5 minus then both the terms binomial more than that, then make bracket for both the polynomials. Make brackets for both the polynomials. First bracket as binomial, single, no need of bracket, but more than one term, then make bracket, and then second also in bracket. Now all these terms you have to multiply by these two one by one. So you cannot multiply directly. So here